HealthEdge Source offers automated reimbursement for certain states of Medicaid. Today, we have a number of states available, and we're working on adding additional states to our offering. For many of the states listed, we go beyond the typical inpatient and outpatient offering to provide professional and post-acute provider types, and Source can also support duals business as well. All of our Medicaid content is updated and maintained by the HealthEdge team in our automatic deployments that occur every 2 weeks. This update cycle allows your organization to receive the most accurate and up-to-date Medicaid pricing and policy information. Using Arizona Medicaid as an example, we support many provider types for this state, including ambulance, ESRD, inpatient, outpatient, and professional, to name a few. All of the provider types can be set to price at 100% of the state Medicaid, or flexibility is available if needed. Any of the provider types can be updated to a percentage of the fee schedule to use for reimbursement. In addition to providing pricing, HealthEdge Source also provides payment policies in the form of edits. This includes national Medicaid NCCI and MUE edits, as well as core payment policies that are specific to the state, such as modifier adjustments, physician specialty adjustments, surgery reductions, and more. All of the edits are fully flexible and configurable by your organization. That includes the ability to turn the edits on or off, or make exceptions when needed. Once a claim has processed in Source, all pricing and editing information is transparently provided in the audit trail, making audits or provider inquiries simple. We also offer a solution to provide support on retroactive changes from state Medicaids to simplify the repricing process.